everybody, and welcome to today's interview with Nutraceutical Business Review magazine. Today I am speaking to Julie Impérato from the natural products company Nexira, of which Julie is the marketing manager, so I'm sure she'll have a lot to say to us today. So first of all, nice to meet you, Julie. How is everything going?
Hi, Sophie. Nice to meet you, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk with you today.
Okay, so if we just jump right in, could you give me a brief overview of the trends you're seeing in the natural product industry today?
Yes, sure. So in the natural product industry, we can see two main trends. The first one is what we can call the green trend. Consumers are looking more and more for vegetal and botanical ingredients, natural, also sure, and organic. And they're also looking and asking for more transparency. Could be transparency about the origin of the product and of the ingredients, but also transparency regarding the manufacturing process. And it also drives to ethically sourced ingredients also. So this applies to the nutraceutical and food and beverage industries. And we have also another trend, which is called sometimes foodification. If you look at the supplement markets, you can see that there is kind of a pill fatigue from consumers. So they are more looking for easy to use supplements in stick packs or powders form, easy to use in their daily diet. So these are for me the two main trends in the industry.
So let's take a topic that I'm quite interested in see what you have to say about the trends you see in that category, which is digestive health, because it's quite big lately. What do you have to say on that?
Yeah, digestive health is a big category, big, but it's still rising. If we look at the market figures, it's 6% in France and 8% of the supplement industry in the US. It's still rising. The trends in this category is a sophistication through new ingredients, because we are used to see probiotics in this category, but today you can see also prebiotics and postbiotics and enzymes. And another trend related to this sophistication is also the personalizations. Consumers are looking for specific strains for specific health benefits. So this is another trend. And which is interesting in this category, it's that it's really linked with the immunity, and consumers are really aware of the link between their digestive health and their immunity, because you know that we have, I think it's about 80% of our immune cells in the intestine. So there is a strong link between these two categories.
Yeah, well, obviously you know a lot, and it's obviously a very relevant topic, especially considering today. So I was wondering if you could tell us maybe the products and innovations you have, like for sort of digestive health, and how they compare to your competitors.
Sure. So we have recently launched a new brand, which is called Inavea. In this new brand, we have two products, Inavea Pure Acacia and Inavea Baobab Acacia. This brand is really interesting because it brings scientific support for the digestive health effect. Our ingredients are also very natural, obviously organic, they are sustainably sourced, and we have a unique sustainability commitment for this range.
Okay, so I see you mentioned scientific support. What are the specific sort of research and evidences that you're working on for that?
Yeah, so for the Inavea Pure Acacia, which is an all-natural acacia fiber, this is a fiber, our ingredient contains 80% fiber at least, And we have demonstrated a prebiotic effect at a dose of 10 grams per day. And the ingredient is also linked with immunity because it helps to restore the gut barrier. So really interesting, particularly today. The second ingredient, Inavea Baobab Acacia, has been launched actually during the virtual VitaFoods. And it's a blend with acacia and baobab. It's a unique blend, and we have proven the synergistic prebiotic effect for this ingredient at 5 grams per day. So our study demonstrates the complementary and synergistic action of baobab and acacia. And it also demonstrated the protection of the microbiota through an antioxidant activity. Both ingredients, Inavea Pure Acacia and Inavea Baobab Acacia, are very gentle because they have a gradual fermentation, and they are both FODMAP friendly certified. And they can be used in a very large array of application, from supplement forms like tablets and capsules to functional food and beverage.
Okay, good. I think we have time for one more question, and it's one I always like to ask, which is about a company's sustainability commitment. So have you got any specifics you can share with us or plans?
Yes, you're right. Our raw material, acacia and baobab, comes from the Sahel in Africa. Nexira is involved since the 70s in sustainability, in sustainable development. We work with an NGO called SOS Sahel, and we have contributed to local projects in Africa. So for example, since 2009, Nexira has been involved in reforestation. So we talk about more than 10,000 hectares of reforestation. It's more than 2 million trees. So it's really a huge project. It's also about action for soil fertilization, biodiversity, construction of water points. So it's really important local actions, and they have a real impact on the life of local population. Now Nexira, as we are also the world leader in acacia gum, we want to go further. We want to go beyond this sustainability commitment, and that's why we have launched this new brand, Inavea. And our target is to have a carbon neutrality. So this is our commitment for this new brand, and we believe it's a real commitment for the company, but also for the consumers, and it's going to grow. This environmental importance is going to grow, and it's really a company commitment.
Well, that's so good to hear. I love hearing that companies are really pushing their sustainability. So I think that's everything. Thank you, Julie, for your time. Thank you to everyone for watching. I hope you found this interesting, and I hope you are staying safe. Have a good day.
Thank you.